Hello YouTube, Assalamu alaikum. How's everybody doing? Today I decided to come on and show you all how to make okra soup. So here is my pressure cooker, and I have some assorted meat in the pressure cooker cooking. I can go in and show you all what I have here. So here I have some beef neck bones. I have some cow feet. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so here I have some beef neck bones, and I have some cow feet in there, and I have some lamb in it. So those are the main meats that I have in it. And I've already added my yet, which is fermented snail. It gives it a unique flavor. And I've also added some geji, small piece of geji, which is fermented fish. I've added some palm oil, but I'm going to go ahead and add some more palm oil in. It's already cooked in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes, and I just opened it up to check it, and the cow feet aren't done like we like them to be. So I decided to go in and let it continue to cook. So now I'm just adding the palm oil. And as far as seasonings are concerned, I use beef bouillon seasoning, MSG free. I use some low sodium soy sauce on my meat. I also used some nocos, which is like the traditional green seasoning. You have to make that yourself from parsley, cilantro, red onions or yellow onions is fine, habanero peppers, scallions, garlic, and ginger. So that's how you make your nocos, and I already added that in when it pressure cooked the first time. So here I have my palm oil in this cup, which I've already added, and here I have my okra in this pan, and so I'm gonna have to wait until my meat is finished cooking before I add my okra. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and place the pressure cooker top back on. Okay, and I'm gonna let it continue to cook for about another half hour until the meat is soft like we like it to be. And then I'll add the okra in and mix everything in, and we'll have this over rice or plantain and cassava fufu. I think I'm gonna make myself some plantain and cassava fufu because my husband likes to eat his okra soup with rice, and so do the babies. So I'll probably be the only one eating fufu today, and that's fine. All right, I'll talk to you all later.